4-inch oval step bar pad. 24 in length. Sold individually. Replacement pad for Westin oval step bars. Replacement step pad kit for Westin Platinum Series 4 and Platinum 4 Nerf Step Bars. Will not fit any other Westin or any non-Westin bars. Includes 1 step pad and 6 clips to install. Top reviews from the United States. 2012 Dodge truck. Original pads disintegrated, and these were nice replacements and easy to install. Only drawback was that each pad was short 1 insert for each step, so I had to repurpose 4 of old inserts. Luckily there were 4 salvageable from the old pads.